Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, from vintage survivors to budget-friendly project bikes. Number 1. 1971 Honda CL350 Scrambler, $3,500, Longview, Texas. This 1971 Honda CL350 Scrambler represents one of the most iconic dual-purpose motorcycles of the early 1970s, blending street usability with off-road capability, thanks to its signature high-mounted exhaust and rugged stance. With just over 10,600 miles, this example stands out as a clean and well-preserved survivor, increasingly difficult to find in such condition as demand for vintage scramblers continues to grow. The bike runs strong, making it an excellent candidate for weekend cruising, light trail riding, or simply enjoying the nostalgic riding experience that defined an era. Its classic red finish and balanced proportions give it timeless visual appeal, while its manageable size makes it ideal for both newer riders and seasoned collectors. With a clear Texas title in hand and strong collector interest surrounding the CL series, this motorcycle offers both enjoyment and long-term value as a vintage investment. Number 2. 1970 BSA Lightning 650, $6,900, Hoffman Estates, Illinois. The 1970 BSA Lightning 650 is a true representation of classic British engineering, powered by a parallel twin engine known for its strong torque delivery and unmistakable character. This particular example is a highly original second-owner motorcycle that has been carefully maintained and fully sorted mechanically, making it ready to ride without the typical concerns associated with vintage machines. Its red finish and traditional styling reflect the golden age of British motorcycles, while its solid performance ensures it remains enjoyable on modern roads. Bikes like this are becoming increasingly sought after as collectors recognize the historical significance of BSA's final production years. Whether you're looking for a reliable vintage rider or a well-preserved addition to a classic collection, this Lightning 650 delivers authenticity, performance, and timeless appeal in one complete package. Number 3. 1971 Yamaha CS3 200, $2,000, Anawan, Illinois. This 1971 Yamaha CS3 200 is a lightweight two-stroke classic that perfectly captures the spirit of early 1970s Japanese motorcycles, known for their simplicity, reliability, and fun riding dynamics. Originally purchased as a beginner bike, it has been well cared for and recently refreshed with important maintenance, including ultrasonic carburetor cleaning and new clutch plates. The bike runs and rides well, with all components functioning properly, including the electric start, which is a valuable feature for a vintage motorcycle of this era. Its compact size and responsive engine make it ideal for city riding or casual weekend use, while its rarity adds to its appeal among collectors of smaller displacement classics. With a clear title and affordable price point, this Yamaha offers an accessible entry into vintage motorcycling without sacrificing charm or usability. Number 4. 1974 BMW R90/6, $5,500, Terre Haute, Indiana. The 1974 BMW R90/6 is widely regarded as one of the finest examples of the brand's legendary airhead lineup, combining smooth boxer twin performance with durable German engineering. This bike features original paint and has been consistently stored indoors, preserving its classic appearance while showing honest signs of age that add to its authenticity. Mechanically, it has been updated with resealed front forks, a replaced master cylinder, and adjustments allowing it to run on regular fuel, making it more practical for everyday riding. Despite an odometer discrepancy, the bike has been ridden and proven to run strong, offering a dependable vintage riding experience. The included Windjammer fairing adds touring capability, making this a versatile option for riders who appreciate both style and function. As airhead BMWs continue to rise in popularity, this R90/6 stands out as a balanced mix of originality and usability. Number 5. 1981 Suzuki GS850L, $2,900, Brumley, Missouri. This 1981 Suzuki GS850L is a classic Japanese cruiser that combines reliability, comfort, and strong engineering with a distinctive vintage style. Powered by an 843cc inline-4 engine paired with a smooth shaft drive system, this bike delivers a refined riding experience that remains impressive even by modern standards. With only 6,000 original miles, it is an exceptionally low-mileage example, making it especially attractive for collectors and enthusiasts seeking well-preserved machines. The custom yellow paint adds a unique visual touch, while the chrome and overall condition reflect careful ownership. Equipped with features like triple disc brakes and electric start, it offers both performance and convenience. Whether used as a dependable cruiser or kept as part of a vintage collection, this GS850L represents excellent value and a rare opportunity to own a low-mileage classic from Suzuki's golden era. Number 6. 1968 Triumph Trophy Sport, $7,700, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1968 Triumph Trophy Sport is a true one-owner survivor that captures the essence of British motorcycling during its golden era. Originally sold new in Tulsa and carefully preserved over decades, this bike carries a remarkable story, having remained with the same owner for most of its life. With 22,714 miles and all original paint, it stands as a rare example of authenticity in today's vintage market. Recently, over $4,000 has been invested into comprehensive servicing, including a full carburetor overhaul, new fuel system components, fresh tires, updated ignition parts, and numerous small details that bring the bike back to reliable riding condition. Despite spending the last few years in storage, it is now fully functional and ready for the road. Complete with original manuals and documentation, this Triumph offers both historical value and immediate usability, making it ideal for collectors or riders seeking a genuine vintage experience. Number 7. 1983 Kawasaki KZ550 LTD, $1,750, Overland Park, Kansas. This 1983 Kawasaki KZ550 LTD has been transformed into a custom brat-style cruiser, blending classic Japanese engineering with modern custom aesthetics. The bike has undergone a full cleaning, tuning, and cosmetic overhaul, resulting in a unique one-off build that stands out from stock examples. The freshly painted pearl black metallic tank, custom seat, upgraded handlebars, and LED lighting give it a clean, aggressive look while maintaining everyday usability. Additional upgrades include new rear suspension, mirrors, and brake components, ensuring a solid riding experience. While it will need fork seals installed, parts included, this remains a strong-running and visually striking machine. For riders looking for an affordable custom bike with personality and handcrafted details, this KZ550 LTD delivers both style and performance at a very accessible price point. Number 8. 1981 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $2,400, Pewaukee, Wisconsin. The 1981 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster 1000cc represents one of the last years of the iconic Ironhead engine, known for its raw character and unmistakable Harley feel. This example is a solid runner with a clean title and recent maintenance, making it a great entry point into vintage Harley ownership. With its classic blacked-out look and simple, rugged design, it offers the kind of stripped-down riding experience that many enthusiasts seek. The bike is ready to ride as it sits, but also provides an excellent platform for customization, whether you're envisioning a chopper, bobber, or restored original. At this price point, it's a rare opportunity to own a piece of Harley-Davidson history without a major investment, making it especially appealing for hands-on riders and builders. Number 9. 1978 Yamaha XS750 Triple, $2,000, Evansville, Indiana. This 1978 Yamaha XS750 Triple is a smooth and capable vintage machine, powered by a unique inline 3-cylinder engine that delivers a distinctive sound and riding character. With approximately 17,000 miles, the bike remains in good condition and has received important maintenance updates, including a new clutch, brake components, tires, ignition parts, and fresh fluids. While it may require a proper warm-up before riding, common for bikes of this era, it performs reliably once up to temperature. The XS750 was Yamaha's answer to larger displacement touring and sport machines of the late 1970s, offering a balance of comfort and performance. For riders looking for something a bit different from the typical twin-cylinder classics, this triple-cylinder Yamaha provides a unique and enjoyable vintage riding experience at an affordable price. Number 10. 1964 Vespa 150, $3,500, Richardson, Texas. The 1964 Vespa 150 is an iconic example of Italian scooter design, known for its elegant curves, durable pressed steel construction, and timeless appeal. Often associated with the VBB2T model, this scooter features a 150cc two-stroke engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission controlled from the handlebars, offering a uniquely engaging riding experience. Its compact size, lightweight feel, and classic styling make it perfect for city cruising or as a standout piece in any vintage collection. Details like the comfortable saddle, integrated storage compartment, and unmistakable silhouette highlight why Vespa remains one of the most recognizable names in two-wheeled history. Whether restored further or enjoyed as is, this Vespa represents a charming and practical entry into vintage European motoring. Number 11. 1980 Honda CM200T Twinstar, $2,000, Charlotte, North Carolina. The 1980 Honda CM200T Twinstar is a lightweight, approachable vintage motorcycle that perfectly reflects Honda's reputation for reliability and ease of use. Finished in a classic dark green with gold and red striping, this bike carries a timeless look that still feels stylish decades later. Powered by a simple and dependable 200cc parallel twin engine, it's ideal for relaxed cruising, daily commuting, or as an entry point into vintage motorcycling. The electric start ensures easy operation, even though the kickstart is currently non-functional. Its manageable size and smooth power delivery make it especially appealing for newer riders or those looking for a stress-free classic experience. Clean and original examples like this are becoming harder to find, making it a solid choice for both riders and collectors seeking a practical vintage bike. Number 12. 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $3,500, Piedmont, South Carolina. This 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster offers a great opportunity for someone looking to own and finish a classic American V-twin project. Featuring a freshly rebuilt engine by Pete Hill Motorcycles, with receipts included, this bike already has one of the most important and costly aspects completed. The new paint gives it a refreshed appearance, while the remaining work, including wiring and minor finishing touches, leaves room for customization and personal input. For enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on projects, this Sportster represents a chance to build a unique vintage Harley exactly to their vision. With its iconic styling and strong aftermarket support, once completed, it has the potential to become both a rewarding rider and a valuable addition to any classic motorcycle collection. Number 13. 1981 Yamaha Virago XV750, $2,900, Waco, Texas. The 1981 Yamaha Virago XV750 is one of the early pioneers of the modern V-twin cruiser segment, combining comfort, performance, and distinctive styling. This restored example, showing 39,000 miles, is in excellent condition and runs perfectly, making it ready for immediate use. Recent updates include new tires, a fresh battery, and a completed restoration that enhances both reliability and appearance. The bike also comes equipped with a windshield and saddlebags, adding practicality for longer rides or daily use. Known for its smooth engine and comfortable riding position, the Virago remains a favorite among riders who appreciate classic cruiser ergonomics with proven Japanese engineering. As clean examples become increasingly scarce, this bike stands out as a well-maintained and highly usable vintage cruiser. Number 14. 1972 Triumph Bonneville, $2,500, Milton, Florida. The 1972 Triumph Bonneville is one of the most recognizable British motorcycles ever built, known for its classic parallel twin engine and timeless styling. This example runs well for its age, offering an authentic vintage riding experience that captures the spirit of early 1970s motorcycling. With its 650cc engine and lightweight feel, the Bonneville delivers a responsive and engaging ride that continues to appeal to enthusiasts around the world. While it may not be a fully restored showpiece, it presents a solid and affordable entry into classic British ownership. With a title in hand and a price point that leaves room for further improvements, this bike is ideal for someone looking to ride and gradually restore a true icon of motorcycle history. Number 15. 1993 Suzuki Intruder, $1,200, Crestview, Florida. This 1993 Suzuki Intruder is an affordable project cruiser that offers plenty of potential for someone willing to bring it back to life. Known for its low-slung design and V-twin engine layout, the Intruder series helped define the look of modern Japanese cruisers. Although this particular bike is not currently running, it requires relatively straightforward work, including carburetor replacement or rebuilding, a new battery, and updated turn signals. With 34,746 miles, it still has a solid foundation to build from, making it a great candidate for a budget restoration or custom project. For buyers looking to get into motorcycling at a low entry cost or take on a hands-on rebuild, this Intruder represents a practical and accessible starting point. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycles for sale across the US.